Moving on now. Tamil Nadu BJP leader Khushbu Sundar has been detained by the police. She was detained while she was on her way to Chidambaram to protest against VCK chief and MP Thol Thirumavalan's alleged remark on Manusmriti. Earlier, a row erupted after a video clip recorded in September 2020 was circulated on social media stating that the VCK chief had insulted women by calling them prostitutes. Thirumavalan has been booked for allegedly denigrating Hindu women, but the leader has rejected the charge. DMK and MDMK and Congress have come out in support of him, stating that he had only quoted what was written in Manusmriti. All the three political parties and the senior leaders had demanded that the cases filed against him be withdrawn.
We were supposed to go till Kadalur because we know very well that the Chidambaram, they have closed down the district. They're not allowing anybody to come in. So we thought we'll go till Kadalur and to protest peacefully because that's our democratic right. But as soon as we crossed Chennai and we entered Chengalpet, we were arrested by the cops. And we are still kept in a place where I really don't know where this place is, somewhere in Chengalpet district. And with me are a few other party workers also. So we are denied of what is democratically our rights of a peaceful protest. So why were we denied this when the other parties have been given permission yesterday, today? I mean, the parties who are supporting Mr. Thirumavalan should actually ask them to follow the ideologies which is not happening in their own homes. Their own women go to the temples and then they talk about Hindu women. They talk about being Hindus. And then you have the same parties going and supporting Mr. Thirumavalan, who's speaking against the women. And what is written in Manusmriti was 3,700 years ago. Who is following that? Nobody has read that book. Who is asking, is BJP endorsing? Is anybody endorsing that book? Is Mr. Thirumavalan or the people from the supporting party families following Manusmriti? They themselves say that we follow the constitutional law of Dr. Ambedkar. We are followers of Dr. Ambedkar. Shame on them if they say they're the followers of Dr. Ambedkar. Why do you go back to what is written in Manusmriti? I mean, it's so easy, quote somebody else and then say things what you want to say.
For the past 3 decades, I am doing this propaganda against Manusmriti. I have read Manusmriti. In 9th chapter, totally they deal about women. They degrading women respect through this text. I am not accusing any women belongs to Hindu community. I am for women. I am not against women. 31st of this October, we are going to have protest against BJP and all other Sangh Parivar movements which are instigating violence against Dalits and other marginalized sections in the name of Manusmriti. We will make awareness among women about Manusmriti, which degrading women through the text.
Akshay is now joining us live. Akshay, what has been the reason given for detaining Khushbu Sundar at the moment?
Well, Chethi, in Chidambaram, the constituency where Thol Thirumavalan belongs to, that's where Khushbu Sundar and the BJP leaders wanted to go and protest at. But unfortunately, Chidambaram has been cordoned off. It's been announced by the state government that protests will not happen anywhere near Chidambaram. But when Khushbu Sundar and the BJP leadership were trying to go to Chidambaram, en route to that place, they were taken into custody. They were detained by the police officials in Chengalpet district. And Khushbu Sundar, while she was talking to me, she said that she was not aware of the exact location where she has been stopped at, but she was questioning as to why the democratic right of a person to protest has been stopped by the government. And she also said that unless and until Thol Thirumavalan apologizes for his remarks, the BJP will continue to protest. Meanwhile, we know that the VCK and many other supporters of the BCK, including DMK, Congress and MDMK, have stated that Thol Thirumavalan was only quoting what was written in the Manusmriti and he did not not say his own opinions. In fact, we have known that in multiple occasions, anti-caste activists, feminists, including members of the VCK, MDMK and DMK have been protesting, saying that Manusmriti is against the interest of women. Certain sections of the book quote women in a very bad light, and hence it is very oppressive in nature and should not be taken into consideration, and the state government should ban it. So this controversy has become really huge now. In fact, Khushbu Sundar has raised question as to why Tiruma Vallavan had to bring up this topic at this point of time, and she accused the VCK and its ally parties of playing politics at the time when elections are about to happen in the state of Tamil Nadu. Chethi.
All right, leave it at that. Akshay, thanks for getting our viewers up to speed with the very latest details on the story. We'll continue tracking it in much detail.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.